Home to the Himalayas, Sikkim is a state that has often been called a traveler's paradise. In fact, the Lepcha word for Sikkim is Ne Me El, which roughly translates to paradise. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders Tibet in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in the south. Sikkim is also close to India Siliguri corridor near Bangladesh. Sikkim is the least populous and the second smallest among the Indian states. Maths is a difficult subject, but moreover it is an interesting subject. We can relate the state Sikkim with maths in many ways, such as volume of lake and ponds, the Fibonacci sequence of some exotic flowers of Sikkim, the shape of the famous monuments of Sikkim, and the time taken to reach
How
Sikkim.
can we forget Sikkim monuments? So here comes Nathula Pass, nearly 46 meters, 150 feet in length and situated at an altitude of 4,386 meters. Chalepla like Nathula Falls on the eastern border of Sikkim. Next is Hanuman Tok. It is a temple which was completed in 1952 and its elevation is 2194.56 meter, which is 7200 feet. You can also see three cones on the roof of this temple. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. It is income tax free region and it is very peaceful there. Gangtok covers an area of 19.2 square kilometer. Next is Kanchenjunga Peak, which is situated in Sikkim. It has a height of 8,586 meter, 28,169 feet. Delhi and Sikkim are away from each other at a distance of 1128 km. If you are planning to reach by car, then it will take 30 hours. If you will take train, it will take 27 hours, and if you will go by flight, it will just take 2 hours. Isn't it interesting? Concluding, this speed is equal to distance.
Sikkim is really a heaven. We studied the 3D variations of crustal structure of the Sikkim Himalaya using broadband semi-seismological data acquired from a focused network of 7 stations spanning the Lesser, Higher and Tethyan Himalaya. The flowers of Sikkim makes it more beautiful and glossy. Fibonacci sequence is related to flowers in Sikkim. Fibonacci sequence is the number of petals in a flower. Some of the famous flowers of Sikkim are Dendrobium, which has 2 petals, so its Fibonacci sequence becomes 2. Most of the flowers of Himalayas have 5 petals. Their Fibonacci sequence becomes 5. The Sikkim flowers like primroses and gentian have 4 petals, so they constitute a pattern. Next comes the most peaceful part of Sikkim, lakes and rivers of Sikkim. First famous lake of Sikkim is Chusmongo Lake. The lake is formed with an oval shape and has a surface area of 24.47 hectares. The maximum length of the lake is 836 meter and has a maximum width of 427 meter. The maximum depth of this lake is 15 meters, while its average depth is 4.58 meter. Next is Gurudongmar Lake. Its surface area is 118 hectares. Its length is 5.34 kilometers and surface elevation is 16,909 feet. This comes to an end of this presentation. Special thanks to Surekha ma'am for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.